Drive Time Search Solutions by Miami using RPR. When using RPR, simply have it open. And if you want to conduct a drive time search, click over to Map Search. On the Map Search, be sure to put in the location, status and type, property type, price, beds and baths, and then you can come to the right-hand side and select driving. The choices for the driving are travel time, distance, traffic counts. If you click on travel time, it will let you move the pin to the location of interest, right? So you want to select your travel time from this pinpoint. Click next, and you can choose if you're going to go by car or walking, the time of day, the day of the week, the number of minutes, and then you click next, and it will denote a new area for your search, and you can then select to search in this area. If you wanted to do driving by distance, you simply move the pin to your place of interest, click next, select the miles, next, and now you can search by a distance from the pinpointed location. If you are interested in doing driving and knowing traffic counts, you can choose the traffic counts you want to see, or select all and click apply, and then you will have the points according to the area of your interest. You can always come and edit traffic counts to cancel or clear. Use your drive time solutions with Miami here using RPR. Thank you for watching your Miami Trainers videos and for being Miami members. Always more with Miami.